teach CBSE 10th Maths. Hey guys, this is Tina. I teach CBSE 8 Maths. Check out our videos on the playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 13 Surface Areas and Volumes, Exercise 13.2, 6th question. Alright, let's read the question. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So, we are supposed to use pi value as 3.14, okay. That is 3.14. Okay, so here everything is about the figures. So when we'll draw it now, that time we'll understand. So here this one is really important. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 gram mass. Okay, so this one is really important. We are supposed to focus it later. Okay. So first of all, let us draw a cylinder. According to the question, we are supposed to draw a cylinder. Let us draw a cylinder at first. Okay. Okay guys, so now let us draw a cylinder. So let me draw it here, okay. So I am drawing a little bit bigger. So this is a rough figure, okay. Okay, so I just drew a cylinder. So in this cylinder, now what is the height? 1 second. Okay guys. So according to the question, height is 220 centimeter, okay. So the height of the cylinder is 220 centimeter and diameter is 24 centimeter. So height, let us draw the line here. So from here to here, right? Yeah. So the height is 220 centimeter and then you can take radius. So they gave diameter, right? So diameter is 24 centimeter. Then radius means half of diameter, right? 1 second. It's not visible, right? Yeah, now it's visible. So how to find the radius? So I'll find the radius here, okay? So diameter 24 centimeter. How to find the radius? Half of diameter, that is 24 by 2. So when we cancel it, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Then the radius is 12 centimeter. Okay. This is the radius. Okay, now let us read further. Okay guys, so which is surmounted? Surmounted means top, okay, attached to the cylinder, okay, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Okay, so here they mentioned radius directly. Okay, all right. So surmounted, right? Surmounted means it looks something like this. Okay, so we are supposed to draw another one cylinder. It is a pole, right? That's why it's like this. Okay. Okay, so this is another one cylinder. Okay, so, okay guys, so what is the height? So the height is 60 centimeter. So let us draw. 1 second. So from here, okay. Okay, so the height of this cylinder is 60 centimeter. So guys, I am going to be taking capital H for bigger cylinder and small h for smaller cylinder, okay. So this is smaller cylinder. And this one is bigger cylinder, okay. Okay, so since you guys know, I am going to take capital H for bigger cylinder and small h for smaller cylinder, okay. So since you guys know, I am going to be finding the mass of the pole. So this is the complete pole, am I right? So I am going to be finding the mass. So since you guys know, if something is related to mass, water, like that and all, no, then we are supposed to find the volume. Am I right? So we are supposed to find the volume of the pole. So mass of the pole and volume of the pole both are same only. Okay, not exactly same, it is kind of like a same thing only. Okay, why? Because since in case something is related to mass, water, air that is filled inside like that, and it's there, no, that mean volume. Okay, so you are supposed to find the volume of the pole. How to find the volume of the pole? So we have smaller cylinder and bigger cylinder, am I right? So I am going to be writing volume of bigger cylinder plus volume of smaller cylinder. Okay, so let us apply the formula, and then we are going to be substituting the values and we are going to be finding it. Okay, alright guys, so we are supposed to find the volume of the pole. So since guys, in the pole we have bigger cylinder, that's why let us write volume of bigger cylinder and then plus volume of smaller cylinder. Okay, one second. Okay guys, so let us write volume of smaller cylinder. Okay, so now let us apply the formula. Okay, so what is the volume of bigger cylinder? So the volume of bigger cylinder is pi r square h. So we are supposed to differentiate in both the, so in both the cylinders we just differentiated the h is capital H. That means we can take this radius as capital R. Okay, why? Because to differentiate. Okay, so here both are small h and small r, and here it is capital H and capital R. Okay, okay guys, so now let us apply the formula. So it is pi r, I just used capital R. Okay, so r square h, that is, and then capital H, plus here also volume of smaller cylinder is also pi r square h. So let us write pi small r square and then small h, and then is equal to, so now let us apply the formula. So here we can take it as common, right? We can take pi, and this pi is common. So let us take pi as common outside, and then rest of them we can just write it in bracket. Okay, why? Because here the radius is, so this one has different radius and this one also has different radius. So here the radius, this radius capital R has another value and small r has another value. That's why I am not just taking them as common. Okay, so let us write r square h, and then this plus as it is, and then here small r square and then small h in bracket. Okay, okay guys, so now what we can do, now we can substitute the values. So we can write pi as it is, and then what is capital R square? So the capital R value is 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12. Why did I write 12 into 12? Why? Because R square. Okay, and then into, so it is multiplication, right? Yeah, into, and then capital H. What is the capital H value? So the capital H is 220. So 220, and then plus R square, small r square. So what is small r? So small r is, the value is 8 centimeter, I guess. Yeah, small r is 8 centimeter. Okay, so let us write 8 into 8. Why? Because we have r square, and then into small h is 60 centimeter, right? So 60. Okay, close the bracket. So now we can solve them. Okay, so is equal to, we can write the pi as it is. Later on we can put the pi value, and then bracket. So when we just multiply 12 into 220, we get 31,680, and then plus, so when we multiply 8 into 60, we get 3,840. Okay, so now let us solve further. So now we can copy the same thing in another one paper. One second. Okay guys, so okay, so now we can write pi as it is, and then bracket. So we had 31,680 680 plus 3840. Okay, so now we can substitute the pi value, that is 3.14 according to the question, and then when we just add them we get into, so bracket, right, so multiplication, and then 35,520. okay, alright guys, so when I just take off this point then it becomes 100, right, so we can cancel this 0 and then this one 0. So when we multiply 314 into 3552, now the 0 is not included, right, so 3552. So when we just multiply them we get a value that is this value. Okay, later on we can read the value. Okay, so now since we have divided by 10, so we are supposed to put the point here, so, and then centimeter cube. Why? Because we found the volume. So now it is okay. So now let us read the value. Okay, so it is 1,11,532.8. okay, alright, so now I just told you guys, according to the question we had a clue. So what is the clue? That is this clue: 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 gram mass. Am I right? So for a reason only they just mentioned it. So let us write that. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 gram mass. Okay, alright guys. So since you guys know, here we got 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. Am I right? So for this much cube, what will be the mass? What will be the mass, guys? So we know 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 gram mass. But for this number, that is 1,11,532, what will be the mass? I mean, you can say grams. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to multiply 1,11,532.8 into 8. Okay, why? Because to find the mass. Okay, alright, so to find the gram and all, no, we are just doing that. So when we just multiply them we get a number that is 892262.4 gram. Okay, so we can read this. So 8,92,262.4 gram. Okay, so we can just convert to kg, right? So when we just convert to kg we are supposed to put the point. So we are supposed to put the point here. Am I right? Why? Because kg means divided by, so I'll write it here. Okay, in black I'll write. So kg means we are supposed to divide the number by 1000. Okay, that is how we convert, right? So likewise when we just convert now we get 892.26 kg. Okay, so we get something like this. Then this will be our final answer. Okay, so we are supposed to do it like this. Why? Because we got a value that is in centimeter cube. Am I right? We know that 1 centimeter cube is 8 gram mass. Okay, so when we just multiply we will get the answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.